LIFW Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. MSP recovery stock sitting at 11 cents and is like 8.45% down. Yeah, my previous bias, man, it was always kind of short, and this was like the craziest part there because I really called it out, and it went like 76% down, and that was from 2nd of October till 26th of October last year, and I obviously have the proof to back it up. Last year, kind of this time.
Overall, the high time frame is definitely bearish and expecting more quickly.
Right, this was made a year ago, so you get the point. And since then, it's been just putting in some crazy red numbers. It's still a bearish market because like this is just a wick. Wicks do not count around here. Debunked this over and over again. Only really gonna care if there is a full candle close above 17 to 18 cents for me to really kind of consider something bullish. But for right now, if you want to learn how to trade stocks full time in 40 to 70 days, click the first link in the description or reviews are 5 stars.